Hello, I'm Trudy Rice and I'm excited to share my very first online art workshop with you, an introduction to Linocut Printing. I've been holding in-person workshops for around 6 years and I wanted to be able to share my knowledge of printmaking to a broader audience. This workshop is geared towards those without much printmaking experience. I'll show you the basics of how to set up your workspace and the materials and techniques you'll need to make a really pleasing fine art print. We'll be hand printing, which means you can work right off your kitchen table at home. This instant access workshop means you will be able to view the lessons at your leisure right after signing up. Each lesson is broken down into bite-sized pieces and can be watched over and over again. I've included a list of materials, but suggest you buy the best materials you can afford. I really hope you join me in my virtual classroom soon.